PUR Basic Water Pitcher Replacement Filter, Pack of 2. Replacement filter. Our new basic pitcher filters are twice as fast and certified to reduce chlorine taste and odor for cleaner, great-tasting water. All PUR pitcher filters fit in PUR pitchers and dispensers. Pitcher filters filter 40 gallons of water or 1 to 2 months of typical use before you need a replacement. Only PUR pitcher filters are certified to reduce contaminants in PUR pitcher filter systems. Why filter water? Home tap water may contain potentially harmful pollutants and contaminants picked up through old pipes. Our filters, faucet filtration systems and pitchers reduce these contaminants. Superior water filtration. PUR Basic pitcher water filters reduce mercury, copper and certain pesticides and industrial pollutants by using activated carbon and ion exchange. Using a PUR water filter for tap water is more affordable than bottled water. Try it and see. Contaminants enter the water system daily. That's why filtering your water is important. We've been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.